Right, so today guys we are doing Subway Surfers. Probably have done a video on this before, but I couldn't find anything else. And I do have a new name and everything because one of my friends, XGB Monkey, in his clan, I think it is, they basically have XGB Rhino, so I didn't really want to look like I'm copying, so I changed to Baboon. But why not? And yeah, let's play one round because I can't really think about this third round. I'm gonna be silent. Okay, got this. My Wi-Fi's been a bit down, so I haven't really been doing that much, and we just got it a bit up. So yeah. I forgot that. I'll play one more and then that'll be the end of the video. This policeman. What the? That's cool. We're good. To see. Marco. What is Marco? Guys, go subscribe to all my friends, by the way. They're legends. Go subscribe to all of them. And also, if you didn't hear, go subscribe to the Backflip Squad. Their new YouTube channel. They're my friends. They've already got like loads of subscribers, like literally. Like, I'm not even joking, they have a lot. And yeah, they do, they have done backflips, but they didn't do it with their friend, but that's cool. Yeah, but also go subscribe to all the YouTubers who haven't been able to. And guys, if you wanted some more Phoenix Country vlogs, it's because he couldn't upload a video in a while. The reason is it's for, it's not that he didn't have time, it's because, his, thing wasn't, working anymore. So, okay guys, that's the end of this video anyway, and yeah, bye!